Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Rangbah ubrang Ïaid Lynti ya ublah tip kerteng kumu Shankar Shah ublah repos nam karta berbesar ha apola cumia Shillong ulah Mynsaw jur hadirin baulah Shah Tynrah Nadin hakuwe ka Scooty kemudian yau Naba ML not san Ïaid san lain ruhnyo belanya do samlar ublah kan terus nam karta ubusyang besar hakish Nongñiah Shillong. Kani gelaja jan kayalana hotel halayum kra hakapur kumbashi pau sau pusan AA minmiet hakasau trik unailar arajar alpusan pat Nongñiah Scooty hadirin baulah Tynrah yau Shankar Shah ulale Tynrah pat sia kuwe kali auto 800 kemudian yau Naba ML not san AE kendain rio sawar. Namar belajur sebab pelat ke Mynsaw lapen kit no yu Shankar Shah sia super care hospital Katba yau samlar lapen kit civil hospital Shillong. Layo jing tip ru ba Shankar Shah ula klat no nangan gasla perthei hakapor khnai sting minstam hakasantrik unailar arajar alpusan namar belajur pelat ke Mynsaw nagi binta jongga jabing.
Actually, he's working in the equal gas agency, and he came out from the office. While crossing the road, there was one scooty was in speed and met an accident with that scooty. That person also got injury. Both of them were taken to the civil hospital, and from the civil hospital they have referred the family member. They have brought him to super care for the better treatment. But at the same time, the treatment was going on, and today morning by 8:15, doctor declared his death. So nothing to say much. Only I can say and request our youths, when you drive or ride a scooty, ride in a proper way. Don't speed, because if you ride speed, you made an accident, you will also get injury, and other person also will get. So this is the only request for each and everyone. And now we are waiting for his family relatives. Is coming from the native place, so we will take the dead body and we will do the cremation. And police is doing the inquiry and they are doing the investigation now. So we don't know much about that. They have collected the CCTV and all. Some witness also is there. So this much only I have the information about this.